In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix Steam game icons missing. If your game shortcuts are showing a blank or generic icon instead of the proper logo, don't worry, this usually comes down to a small mismatch between the game's files and the shortcut that Windows is looking at. I'll guide you through two straightforward fixes directly in Steam to get those icons back. First, we'll verify the integrity of your game files. This is the most effective step because the icon your shortcut displays often comes from the game's executable or its resources. If anything is missing or corrupted, Steam can automatically repair it. Open Steam and head to your library so you can see your list of games. Find the game with the missing icon. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the window that opens, select Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan what's on your PC and compare it to the latest version on its servers. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed. You might see a brief download at the end. This is normal as Steam replaces anything it found out of place. Let the process finish completely. When it's done, close the Properties window and take a look at your game's icon again. In many cases, it will refresh automatically once the files are in good shape. If the icon is still missing or you are dealing with a desktop shortcut that hasn't updated, the next step is to recreate that shortcut so Windows points to the correct file. Go back to your Steam library. Right-click the same game. Hover over Manage and select Add Desktop Shortcut. Steam will place a fresh shortcut on your desktop that references the up-to-date game executable and its embedded icon. This simple refresh is often all it takes to bring the correct icon back. If you already had a shortcut, the new one ensures it's aligned with your current installation, which helps fix cases where an older shortcut was still pointing to a moved or updated file. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.